So this is the trail we're using, and it is so beautiful out here. The weather is still good. So we're about maybe 25% of the trail, and as you can see, super sweaty. But I haven't done this in a while, so it's a little challenging, but I know it's gonna be worth it when I'm done. So here's a good scenery of everything. All right, we are almost halfway. We still have a couple hiking spot to go, but you can see the struggle is real here. But we're having a good time. It feels good. So as you can see, all these rocks that we have to climb up, and so far we went all the way down there, and we climb up to here. So not as fun as you think it is, because you don't want to fall on any of these rocks, but you gotta get up the top, so you gotta take your time, look down, steady your legs, and for God's sake, do not fall, because it will be extremely painful. And we've seen quite a few people on this trail. We saw a couple people with their dogs, and these dogs love it. And but back to turning this off, because you gotta concentrate doing this.
Yo, this is how you know I'm deep in the forest. Friggin' bears, yo.
So I was gonna say, this is what I won't be doing. But anyway, we are pretty much at the end, and now it's just all the waterfalls, and it's actually pretty beautiful. The water looks very clear, but I wouldn't be jumping in there.
You don't mind if I pass?
No, it's okay.
I have to hold from the down there.
But if you look down,
I made it. I'm here.
So you want your